Before, my pictures, they were not that good, but right now, due to that kind of experience, at least I can take clear photos and say, wow, this is good.
I was also given the camera to go and practice more. Slowly by slowly, I became one of the best photographers.
I gained the courage to express myself, tell the world what I'm going through. It has given me the positive attitude of facing life.
I believe your photos have been seen by people inside and outside Kisumu. How does that make you feel as a person?
Oh my, there is a lot of happiness in it, making me to view life in a way that I can create a positive impact. I can change the life of that teenager somewhere who is HIV positive but is going under stigma. I can use this opportunity to transform their life.
My photos being seen outside Kenya really inspired my life. I realized I can do a lot to change what my life truly is.
And what do you tell our sponsors and the ICAP team?
I would like to thank you very much for having helped me during this journey. I recommend you so much. I love it.
My life is so good just because of you. I've learned photography just because of you. I'm taking my drugs well just because of you. My life has really changed since you entered and supported our facility.